Michael Rains on Expert Village. Now, moving on with our experiment. Now we have to, as we say, charge the system. What does that mean? Well, now we need to add our aqueous solution, as in aqua, as in water. Yes, that's right. Simple distilled drinking water. Real easy. Open it up. Now move our little tanks to the side, making sure that they're unscrewed. We're just going to tilt them over a little, and we're going to fill them up with water. Well, not fill them up, but we at least want to submerge all the array panels. They have to be underwater. If they're not underwater, they won't short out. They just won't produce any hydrogen. So you want to keep the tanks full. And that's about as full as we want it. A little more in that one, a little more there. And that's it. Now I got to be real careful not to spill these. Of course, it doesn't matter if I spill them because it's just water right now and we're not using the nasty lye, so it doesn't matter. Now, just to show you, we're not going to screw them together. We're going to add some power to it. Now, we're going to hook up our electricity again. Negative to negative, positive to positive. And look, nothing happened. Well, why is that? We don't have an electrolyte in our aqueous solution. We need an electrolyte to make the current flow from panel to panel. So what do? We grab our little baking soda here, and we're going to sprinkle a little inside the tubes of electrolyte, but we're going to turn off our power. So unhook the power. Alright, so now we're going to add our little baking soda. Now what we're going to do is unhook one of the cylinders. We're only going to have one with electricity. So we've unhooked the one, and we're going to charge this one up. So we're going to put in a little baking soda. So we're going to set our caps to the side, and I'm going to scoop out a very small amount of baking soda because I can't remember how much we really needed. So I'm going to toss just maybe half a gram, if anything, into the container. And it goes all the way to the bottom. Now, we should be able to see a reaction of some sort already, so we're going to put the power back on. Let's see what happens. Well, look at that. We are making hydrogen. I bet you can look on this little gauge here. We're at 12 volts and 10 amps. About where we want to be for single cylinder.